Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Adaptive Stochastic Indicator for MT4. This tool modifies the classic stochastic oscillator by adapting its calculation period to current market volatility, aiming to react faster when price is moving quickly and more smoothly when conditions are quieter. In this video, you see how the adaptive stochastic appears in its own window, how its movements differ from a standard stochastic, and which main inputs you can adjust. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the OLL imports. Alright, and there we have it. On the chart, the adaptive stochastic indicator plots lines in a separate sub-window that oscillate between 0 and 100, similar to the classic stochastic, with overbought and oversold zones marked near the top and bottom. As volatility increases, the adaptive logic shortens the effective calculation period so the lines respond more quickly to price swings. When volatility falls, the period lengthens, resulting in smoother, less jumpy oscillations. This behavior implies that extreme readings and turns in the oscillator are tuned to the prevailing environment, helping you see overbought and oversold conditions that better reflect current market speed rather than a fixed one-size-fits-all setting. As for the settings, let's take a look. The base period's input sets the underlying reference period, controlling the general responsiveness of the oscillator to price moves. Fast ATR and slow ATR parameters define the short and long-term ATR windows used to calculate the adaptive factor, adjusting how strongly volatility influences the effective stochastic length. A quadratic switch lets you choose whether the adaptive factor is squared, which can accentuate differences between high and low volatility phases and further separate fast and slow responses. You can choose to trade with your preferred colors and choose to trade on your preferred time frames as well. As for who this indicator is for, the adaptive stochastic indicator is suited to traders who already like stochastic signals but want an oscillator that automatically adjusts to changing volatility conditions. It is a visual momentum tool only, does not execute trades, and as with any oscillator, it can still give false signals in strong trends or choppy markets, so it should be combined with structure, context, and risk management. You can download the Adaptive Stochastic Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a volatility-aware twist on the classic stochastic, aiming to keep signals relevant across different market conditions. If you like adaptive oscillators that refine traditional indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.